Hello, and welcome to Excel Highway. Are you using Google Forms, Excel files, emails, or pen and paper to fill in reports, forms, checklist requests? Meet Connecteam, today's video sponsor. Connecteam is an all-in-one employee management app designed for non-desk workforce. Connecteam simplifies business operation and helps you manage, train, and communicate with your non-desk employees effortlessly. In this video, I'll show you how Connecteam can revolutionize communications and forms management with your team, making it fully digital and accessible on mobile. Let's dive in. To create a form, simply click on the Forms icon on the left pane. You will see the Forms dashboard, which shows you the status of all your forms. Now, click on an Add New form where you'll see two options. Start from scratch, which you need to build everything on your own, or use a template. I recommend you use a template because you can always fine-tune it, and it's quicker and easier than starting from scratch. Let's go ahead and click on Use a Template. You can search by topic on the left, or use the search bar. There are many options to choose from that match different industries. You can search for cleaning, construction, retail, employee benefits, a lot of different options here. Let's say I want an HR form. So I'll go ahead and select HR and choose one of the templates. What's really cool is that you can see on the right side how this template looks already on the mobile phone. Now, let's say I want to select the employee. There you go, office supply requisition form. I'm going to click ahead and click on select this template. And you can see that I have the template, so it shows me all the questions. Let's go ahead and add a question, which is called a field. So anywhere I have the plus sign, I click over here. Let's say I have a yes/no question. So let's ask, are you a new employee? And in the description, which is optional, meaning under 6 months, let's say. So the values I can change or leave them. I can click on required, which makes this required, and I'm going to confirm. So now I immediately can see here on the right my new question. And what I want to add is a rating field. Let's say I'm going to say, how would you rate your experience working here? Okay, and I have a scale between very bad and very good with 3 or 4, or let's say 5 stars. Let's say that's required. But let's also use this, show this field only. So I'm going to I want to show this if a top question is, are you a new employee? Is yes, because I only want to see for new employees. Save and confirm. And now you can see that it's here, but on the right, I don't see the question. Now, if I do simulate the form, I click here on yes, now I do see the rating. Okay? So if I click on yes, I don't see it. So that's very cool that you can, simulate the questions and just see how it looks again on the mobile app, the mobile view. So I can save this as a new template if I want, or I can click on save. Once I click on saves, I go to this screen, which is published by, Ask me how would I like to publish, either to specific groups. Let's say users, so I'll select users. And let's say I select myself and one of the employees. I click on next. And then I have the interface with the settings. I can publish now or schedule a publish. Okay, notify the employees with the push notification, which I want to because I want them to see this in their phone. So everything here can be modified in, here on the settings page. Your asset is ready to go. It'll be assigned to 2 users. They'll be notified. I click on confirm, and it automatically brings me to the new form dashboard, which is currently empty because I've sent it to these 2 people and they have not submitted their answers yet. Now let's take a look at how it looks from the employee's perspective.
So I've accessed the Connecteam app, and on the app on the main screen, if I click on notifications over here, the ring bell on the top, I'll have a new update which will take me to that form. So office supply requisition form, and you can see the exact form that I just created. And if I don't, I can also look over here and I can see it on the forms. So office supply requisition form. So it's going to ask me if I'm a new employee. So I click on yes. Then I have the ratings. I have to select the department and item, date needed, item description, pencil. I need 5. Item 2. I also need an eraser, and that's it. Click on send, and my form was sent. And this is a recurring form, so I can always use it, so it doesn't go away.
Back to the desktop app, I can now see some progress with the form, right? I see that 1 or 2 users didn't submit, so this shows me my submission, which was done now. Still have Joe's entry. And I can also deep dive into those entries. So I can click Show Entries. I will see a table with all the forms. I can see all the fields. So it shows me the answers. All right. Here's the 5 pencils and the eraser. And I can also make adjustments if I want manually, because I forgot to enter 1. Okay. And I can also go to the summary option here, which will show me, answers for all the forms. Okay. So this shows me if I had a few more people, it would show me a distribution. It would show me what was purchased for item 1, the actual responses. There's a lot that you can do from here, and it's really helpful to focus on certain results or certain aspects.
Here's the best part. Connecteam offers a completely free, unlimited plan for businesses up to 10 employees. If your team is larger, no worries. You can try all of Connecteam's features for free with 14-day trial, no credit card needed. Using Connecteam, you can easily create and send schedules, accurately track work hours, the digital timesheets, manage tasks, and get payments right time and again. Use my affiliate link in the description to get started today. Don't wait. Streamline your scheduling and business management with Connecteam now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.